students, we have seen how the magnetic field lines are produced in a straight current carrying conductor. Now let us see the magnetic field lines due to a circular loop. So in a circular loop here, as you can see, when we are bending the straight current carrying conductor into a circle form and applying it, connected it with the battery and applying the current through it, so it will contain certain direction like this. So here, as I have connected a loop and it's connected with a positive terminal here and the negative terminal here at this location, so the current will flow from positive to the negative direction like this. Okay, now as you know, this was earlier as a straight current carrying conductor like this, and when we have bent it like this, now it has changed the shape. So accordingly, earlier like the magnetic field lines are producing like this. So in this case also magnetic field lines are producing at each and every point, like as I have made the diagram in the straight current carrying conductor, and it is just for a singular point. For the point like this current carrying conductor is itself as like this. This is a straight. So at this point, if we are talking, magnetic field lines would also be here. And if this point is talking about, so magnetic field lines will also be here. Likewise, at each and every point of this straight current carrying conductor, we are having magnetic field lines. And this particularly have making a cylindrical form like this. Okay, so somehow what we are doing, we are making this, molding it like in the circular form. So here, at this particular point, we are having the magnetic field line like this, and at this point also we are having the magnetic field lines like this. Okay, so magnetic field lines are now get to contact with each other here. So what we can see here, we are going to proceed. So when we pass the current through the loop, magnetic field lines is produced. The direction of the magnetic field lines is given by the right hand thumb rule. Okay, so finding the direction is not a big deal now, because we have seen that right hand thumb rule is very easy for us now, as this is a loop. So you can see that current is moving from here to the here. So current is moving like this. Okay, ऐसे जा रहा है. तो इस तरीके से अगर हम fingers को bend कर देंगे, then we will see the direction of magnetic field lines. And from the back side, now the current is here and moving here. Okay, now current is moving in this direction. Okay, so अब इस तरीके से हो जाएगा. Okay, so likewise it is very easy to find the magnetic field lines direction. But now what about the strength? What we can call about the strength, like कि strength पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? अब बिल्कुल फर्क पड़ेगा. और direction, जैसे कि ये directions हैं, so accordingly as you can see the facing lines, like ये वाला magnetic field line देखो और ये वाला magnetic field line देखो. So in the both direction as you can see, ये भी ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है और इधर से देखोगे तो ये भी अपसाइड डायरेक्शन में ही जा रहा है. ओके, ऐसे ही और बड़े बड़े लूप बन रहे होंगे लाइक दिस, और बड़े लूप बन रहे होंगे लाइक दिस. ओके, सो इन द सेंटर eventually what we will have, in the end we will have a magnetic field lines like this, and this is just for we have taken for 2 points, 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, and but this is going to be in the whole of the circular loop. Okay, so as for an example, we have just taken the 2 points of the circular loop just to be clear how the magnetic field lines are passing. So as you can see, the positive terminal from here is going in this way and going in this way. So with the help of right hand thumb rule, we can see that at this particular point, the direction of the magnetic field line is this, in this way, and here at this point it is in this way, in the clockwise direction. So all the loops are getting bigger by the time, like here and here. So all the loops are getting bigger and bigger, like this I have drawn here. But in the center, what is happening? Because all the field lines are become very big, so these big loops are considered as a straight line in the center. So from the center of this loop, we can say that here is a straight magnetic field line that is going from the center of the loop. Okay, and the direction of this loop is again in the way like the direction of the magnetic field line. See, the magnetic field lines here are going here only in this direction, and in the next point here at this point below point also they are going in this direction. So we can see here that from the center also they will go from here to here, like facing the west direction. Okay, so at the direction where they are going, the magnetic field lines are going, are treated to be as the north pole, and here we can see the south pole. Okay, so I guess students this is going to be clear to you, because the magnetic field lines are going to be bigger, this center line is going to be treated as the straight line at the point.